Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your virtual environment on PICO for Ultra. To change your virtual environment, go to Control Center, then Settings, and then go to Virtual Environment, and now you can choose which environment you like. You can choose either one of the featured ones or download from more, or you can also try to AI generate an environment. To set an AI generated one, you need to select the style, elements, like for example ice flow. You can select up to 2, atmosphere, and scenery, and then click on generate. Then you'll need to wait for a while until it generates. And remember that you can generate up to 10 images per day. You can choose which environment you like more. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. And then after a minute, it will generate it fully and you'll be able to set it. Now it's generated, so you can enable it. And you can see that it's ready. I can rotate it. And then I can apply up to 3 environments for free. And now it's applied. And I'm in this environment. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.